Movie Ant-Man and the Wasp. Quantumania news: Hailee Steinfeld's Kate Bishop to return in Ant-Man. After the limited series Hawkeye, Hailee Steinfeld's Kate Bishop is all set to return in MCU Phase 4 movie Ant-Man and the Wasp: Quantumania, according to a piece of information we got hold of. As per our friend, Hailee Steinfeld was spotted in the same location where Ant-Man and the Wasp: Quantumania was filming, Pinewood Studios in Buckinghamshire, UK. It is unlikely to be a casual visit, as I have never heard of an MCU star allowed on the sets without being part of the film. We don't know if she was there regularly or only for a day, but her presence is enough to confirm that she has a role in this movie, even if it's simply a cameo or a post-credit scene. However, fans may not have to wait long for confirmation on this story, because the Hawkeye final may reveal when Kate Bishop will return. It also makes sense if we look at the cast of Ant-Man and the Wasp: Quantumania, which includes Catherine Newton as Cassie Lang, who will have a regular appearance in the movie. The film is likely to introduce a young Avenger in Scott Lang's Ant-Man daughter Cassie Lang, who has a major part to play. Elijah Bradley and Kate Bishop are the first members who have been unofficially introduced as young Avengers in The Falcon and the Winter Soldier and Hawkeye, respectively. Ms. Marvel will arrive in her own Disney Plus series in summer 2022. I can't confirm if America Chavez, who will appear in Multiverse of Madness, is part of the Young Avengers plan or not, although she was an active member of Young Avengers in the comics. In addition, Wanda's son Billy Maximoff was also present in the WandaVision Disney Plus series, but we will get more proof if he is real or not in the upcoming movie Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness. In the comics, Kate Bishop was the one to introduce Cassie Lang to the Young Avengers. Both of them together went to the Avengers mansion to meet with the member of Young Avengers Iron Lad, Nathaniel Richards, Patriot, Eli Bradley, Hulking, and Asgardian, Billy Maximoff, son of Scarlet Witch. Cassie experienced her superpowers for the first time after arguing about the membership of Young Avengers. Not long afterward, the mansion was attacked by Kang the Conqueror. During the battle, both Cassie and Kate joined in and defeated Kang, saving the world and becoming permanent members of the Young Avengers. The above situation in the comics is unlikely to be used in the MCU, but still, it can throw us in a direction that will result in Kate Bishop meeting Cassie Lang by the end of Ant-Man and the Wasp: Quantumania. Hawkeye is currently airing on the Disney Plus, with new episodes releasing every Wednesday. The series has already introduced us to Kate Bishop and Echo, and in the upcoming episodes, we will see Yelena Belova, new Black Widow, returning after the Black Widow movie. Famous villain Kingpin from the Netflix Daredevil series is likely to return in the 5th episode. With so much going on, Kate Bishop may hold the key to becoming one of the founding members of Young Avengers in the MCU. Ant-Man and the Wasp: Quantumania is currently scheduled to release on 28 July 2023 as part of MCU Phase 4. So what do you think of this new movie? Will you be watching? Feel free to comment down below.